Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this has nothing really to do about Corel, but it has something to do about an upcoming boot camp that the Awards and Personalization Association is putting on. So if you just go to awardspersonalization.org, go to education, it comes up with the boot camp. It also gives you a lot of information about Las Vegas coming up this next year. But this is going to be Friday, November 14th in Hanover, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore. It's a 7-hour CorelDRAW training focused on laser engraving. 7 hours is a long time, but I guarantee I'm going to make it interesting, enjoyable, educational, and you'll walk away with a lot more knowledge, I hope. We're going to go over a lot of subjects. We're going to start out by how to set up your workspace for laser, common keystrokes, tips and tricks on fonts and text. There's at least 13 different ways to select an item, how to find and replace, saves you time, what nodes are, how to add them, reduce them, and manipulate them, how to use all the tools, well, combine, group, smart field. And we're going to make macros, or show how to make a macro, and much, much more. To make this as a macro, if you had a plaque, no matter what size the plaque is, and you ready to engrave it, you've done all your work and you've worked in the center of the page, and you want to put it to the top left dead center or top left center, all I did was hit my escape button. I made a keystroke for a macro that put it dead in the corner. We're going to go over a lot of subjects. I'm going to show you how to draw a box with finger joints. I'm going to show you how to inlay one species of wood into another wood in two different ways. I'm going to do it with a vector and a raster type application. We're going to go over paint and replace. These are two examples. Each one of these were painted. The stars were painted, the blue was painted in the red, and they were put back into the clock. Here's another application on MDF and another application. Here's even one where I just barely recessed just enough to put the other piece of painted wood into the wood and secure it. I'm going to show you how to make a mat board for a kid's name for his picture. I'm also going to show you how to make, do all this and make it look like it's just sitting there. We're going to talk about tessellations. Tessellations is an object that fits inside of another object and continuously goes. Here's another design I designed years ago, and this would just keep going on forever. Here's a tessellation clock made out of lizards. I just threw this in here. I even inlaid cowhide one time into a clock for a company that sells beef. We're going to go over making a map. You can make a clock just like this with this map. These two maps have 3 layers. Here's a blown up example. It makes it look like the riverbed of our local lake. One of the things I do that I have most fun with is making pendants or jewelry using mother of pearl. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to have fun. It's going to be enjoyable. Try to check it out and register if you'd like to go. If you're on the East Coast, this is a given for you. We've had people talk throughout the years that Las Vegas is so far away. Well, here's your chance. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.